I'm going to show you how to stir-fry Gai Lan with beef.
Gai Lan is very common vegetable in Chinese cuisine. Its taste is quite similar to that of broccoli. It goes very well sauté with all meats. Use 400 grams of roast beef. Keep the board. Cut thin slices of 5 mm. Always perpendicular to the fibers to have tender meat. Also cut the board into chunks. Put the meat in a mixing bowl. Crush 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn. It will bring a delicious taste without being hot. Put it with the meat. Then add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix. The starch will create a protective layer. When cooked, the pieces of meat will remain tender and juicy. Let it rest while continuing the preparation. Detach the leaves from the Gai Lan. Remove the hard skin from the stems. Watch them. Cut the leaves. Slice the stems. Their taste very mild. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Grate a piece of ginger. Take 1 teaspoon. For the seasoning sauce, in a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, 5 centiliters of water to give a little sauce to the dish, and 1 pinch of salt. Mix. Also prepare a chilli side sauce. It's optional. Mix 1 cut chilli and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. The cooking is always on high heat. Melt the pieces of board. They'll add flavor to the meat. If you don't have any, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Stir from time to time. When they are melted, take them out. The oil is very hot. Put half the chopped garlic and grated ginger. Briefly stir and add the pieces of marinated meat. Spread them well. Let them sear for 30 seconds. Flip them over and leave another 30 seconds. Then stir for 10 seconds. Keep aside. In the same pan, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the other half of garlic and ginger. Regularly stir. When they start to be golden, add the Gai Lan. Stir for 30 seconds. Put the seasoning sauce. Occasionally stir for 2 minutes. Put the lid on to soften all the vegetables. Then add the beef. Stir for 15 seconds. Cut the fire. The stir-fried beef and Gai Lan is ready. Enjoy with jasmine rice. For the cooking of this rice, you can watch my video. Bon appétit! This daily Chinese dish is delicious. Gai Lan is crunchy, sweet. There is a slight flavor reminiscent of endives. It combines very well with tender and juicy meat. Thank you, and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.